Attention Wagtailers, sign up here for Wow Me Wagtail, Wagtail's very own talent show.
Who's gonna wow us? Who's gonna win this shiny trophy? It could be you if you can wow us Wagtail tonight.
Did you hear that?
It's gonna be quite an event.
Amazing.
So shiny.
Judges, I promise to wow you tonight with the biggest, most wonderful, most spectacular act you've ever seen. I love talent shows, in case you couldn't tell.
We look forward to your act, Becca.
Thanks. It'll knock your socks off. As soon as I figure out what my act actually is. No problem. Adventure's calling. Come in, Russell, Sylvia, and Pedro. Your talents are needed at once.
Talent? I have tons of that.
Be right there, just practicing some first aid.
One